So during the process of buying or selling, we'll get a message that says the title commitment has been completed. What exactly is the title commitment?
So the title commitment is basically our promise to create a policy based on this contract that's been created. So if there's financing in a transfer, then we're going to send a commitment to the lender that says, hey, A, B, C, D, and E need to be done before the property can be transferred. Most of the time it's like property taxes need to be paid, the mortgage needs to be paid off, special assessment needs to be paid off, maybe they have a home equity line of credit. So it's going to say these are all of the things that are attached to the property, and all of these things must be paid before we can transfer it, okay? So that's like the first part of the commitment. The secondary part of the commitment is there's another part that says what title insurance will not cover. So those are called exceptions to our policy, and it's standard language. And basically, if we're finding something on a property, like I'm trying to think, like an easement for a gas well, we're saying, hey, we found this easement for a gas well. We are not going to insure over this easement for a gas well. Well, the lender might come back and say, will you please insure over top of this? And we'll say, yes, we'll do it for a fee. And there's an endorsement, getting into the weeds a little bit. But it's going to tell you what our title insurance policy does not cover. So it's what needs to be done to cover it, what we're not going to cover. And then once those things are done and completed and the house has transferred, then from that commitment, we're giving a final title policy, which looks exactly like the commitment, minus all of the requirements that needed to be done. So the commitment you can think of as the preliminary title policy that we're sending off to the lender, we're sending off to the clients to say, hey, this is what your policy is going to cover and what needs to be done. And then the new owner will get their final policy, and it, again, just spells out all of those things. Hey, you have free and clear title. Here's the property. This is the amount of the coverage. These are the things that we cover. These are the things that we don't.
Okay. That makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.